To use a sound equalizer on the SoundPeats Air 4 Pro, first of all you will have to open the Peats audio application and click just right here. And we've got a few options. First, we can use the adaptive equalizer, so you can perform the sound test, but honestly, it doesn't sound good. I wouldn't even recommend you to use this. In my opinion, and in my model, it doesn't work good. I really enjoy listening music for these three presets: bass boost, electronic, and treble boost. But I also create my own. Yes, you can create here your own preset by clicking on the plus, and then you can adjust the sliders, you can set the custom name, and I'm gonna show you how it looks in my case. So take a look. There we go. As you can see, I just changed it. Wait a minute. Yeah, it was like this. And this is how my preset looks. And I really enjoy to listen to the bass music. So if you also like the bass music, then I can recommend you to set this kind of the preset. That's how we have to set the sliders. And that's how it looks on this graphic equal preset. And then you can just click save. And now if you want to switch between this, presets, then you can just click here, and when you have the switcher on any of the preset, then it means that right now it is actually activated. And of course, if you want to remove your preset, you can just click and hold, I believe. Now we have to click here and then tap on this trash icon in the right bottom corner, the right upper corner. And yeah, that's how it looks. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.